First warning weather with Cuyler Diggs.
Hey, take a look at these high temperatures we recorded across the southern part of the state today. It was a gorgeous Sunday for us. 77 degrees in Tucson, 71 in Douglas, 54 in Show Low, 76 degrees in Phoenix. If you like this kind of weather, you're probably going to enjoy the next few days. But we have changes on the horizon. Not so much right now, though. Take a look at the live SkyCam shot for us. Saw a few clouds out there today. There's a little upper level disturbance over northern Baja that's swinging just enough low level moisture in here to bring us these clouds. And you can actually feel that moisture in the atmosphere last night and throughout most of the day today, and that's because of a dew point of 40 degrees. Actually have a little bit of moisture to work with, not enough to generate any rain showers, unfortunately, but we are seeing some nice temperatures. 75 degrees right now at the airport. Temperatures across the area at this hour: 63 in Wilcox, 66 Sierra Vista, 72 degrees in Sells. And as we expand our view just a little bit over the west, look at this cold air diving in through the upper Midwest. 30s and 40s there. That was one of the reasons we saw that severe weather marching across the Midwest today, because that cold, dry air diving in from the north, this low pressure system right here pulling in some warm, moist air from the south. And what you get is some severe weather, which we also saw some of that in St. Louis. I think we've got some video to take you to St. Louis, where they saw a lot of wind today. That was one of the problems, too, because these storms were so strong and pushing through with such force that we saw up to 70-mile-an-hour straight line winds, and you can hear it. I mean, just listen to that. That's not stuff you really want to be having going through your neighborhood. And fortunately, things have settled down in the Midwest for St. Louis right now, but still, folks in Ohio are still feeling the brunt of some of these storms. Remember, we've got the Leonids still visible tonight in the eastern sky, so make sure to take a look at that. Should be pretty good viewing conditions for most of us, but by the end of the week, big changes for us. Mild through the midweek, but this jet stream is going to dive into the southwest by Friday and bring some big changes, as you will see in the 7-day forecast. Overnight lows tonight into the 40s and 50s, mostly clear skies, then daytime highs tomorrow back into the 60s and 70s for most of us. A little bit of cloud cover there, especially along the international border with that weak system moving out Baja. But as we take a look at the forecast for tonight, 50 degrees in Tucson, and the next 7 days look like this. We're going to keep it in the mid to upper 70s through the middle of the week, and by the end of the week, that's where we introduce some bigger changes for us. And look at that, some showers, a good possibility of those late Friday into Saturday. Hard to tell how much rain right now, but look at that. The snow level drops down to 7,500 feet by late in the day on Saturday. So
just make sure that those 60s don't change, okay? So
okay,
take care of that.
We're going to work on that. We need that rain.
All right.
So, all right.
All right, well, coming up.